Good day, everyone. My name is Reggie Lumuay, together with my group mate, which is
Alan Litanon.
Regilo de la Cruz.
so that are my group members. So we're going to show you the installation of Anaconda IPython in Anaconda. So first of all, we need to go on site of the Anaconda. We need to type Anaconda con.com, and so now we are in the site. So just wait to for the loading, and now dito na po tayo sa site. So we need to click the free download to and as you can see, you can put your email here, but now we need to escape this process. So skip registration and click this button download. So as you can see, that's already here downloading. So I have here already Anaconda downloading. So I need to stop and continue the first because it consumes much time if I'm going to start again downloading. So ngayon na po ako dito na downloaded already, but hindi pa po siya natapos. So ito po ang i-issue nito. Kasi po we're only using mobile data. That's why we encountered poor network. So we should to finish this so yun po. We're waiting for this process. By the way, Anaconda, by the way, we have Anaconda is a distribution of the Python for the scientific cooking. So we have the data, data science, machine learning application, large scale of data, and large scale data processing, predictive analytics, and etc. So that aims to simplify package management and deployment. So anyway, what is Anaconda used for Python? So Anaconda is a distribution of the Python programming language that is quite popular. So this is designed specifically for more machine learning and data science. So there are more 1,500 pre-installed packages that Anaconda comes with. This package include Scikit learning, and NumPy, and Pandas, and etc. So hindi lang po Python language ang nasa loob ng Anaconda. So there's a lot of application inside of the Anaconda. So hindi lang po siya na-focus sa Python language. So while waiting for to finish the download. Takes more time. That's why I download already. But suddenly it consume much time. So cancel this one. We're only using the mobile data because of we don't Wi-Fi. So this is our way to execute this task. Thank God that our data is stable now. So the process is going better. So until the process is done. Wait, more seconds left. Excuse me. Now, okay, so we're waiting. Mm, so it's next. Waiting for a few seconds. Looks like so let's proceed for our next step. So folder here. So we have here the Nakonda, and we're trying to proceed to the next step. So we're waiting for now. We have here the welcome to Anaconda 2014 in PDF. So sit guide. So let's proceed click to the next. So agree licensing if I accept it. So click I agree. Excuse me. Sorry for that. And let's proceed. So the install Anaconda. In the following to install reference folder, click the browser and select another. There's next and so next. Now we see if it's installation installing. So hopefully that it cannot be consumed much time. Mm, in this stage, it might be consumed much time because it's impacting the details of all the. As you can see, it's extracting all of the data inside of Anaconda. So as you can see, you can see a lot of um, I think it's you have the snowball swimmer, swimmer which is new for me. This all of the we're waiting to extract inside the Anaconda. So Cesare, Seaborn, Bokeh, Alter, Creative Image, High Tables, Shows, Attribute. All of here is in process. So it's installing this part of process when we much time. So it needs stable network. So hopefully that it go into meeting, not to be the. So by the way, for the next after installing, we're going to perform a Python language in Jupyter, which is which performing by Ionic Canyon. So Hey. So we need to wait for a while. Wait to be extract all of these files. Um,
Ayak.
wait for a while. This is what I said. Sorry guys for the interruption. So as you can see here, it's on process. So you can see here, you can view the starting package is moving live. So we're going to turn off my mic which because of the noise. Kamay na lang. Bakit ang recording di ba? Okay ba din?
Okay pa.
So by the way, guys, so as we can see, we need it's on the process that we need to go next on the next process. So as you can see, everything we have about Anaconda now available from all clouds of Anaconda fully loaded Jupyter Notebook. So as you can see here, we next, and for the next process, we are completing Anaconda's report finished. So installation is success. So as you can see here, welcome to Anaconda. Here are some useful resources to help you to get started. Ang person has been updated on your version. Wait, ang kuwan na to, sunod na to. Tapos ang kuwan ni. So let's continue. So we need to X this one. I think it might be a double. So it's not ito. So loading application. So we're waiting this one. So you'll be able to show. So as you can see here inside of the Anaconda Navigator, we have a lot of application which data spells and other applications. So we're waiting to finish all the process of the installation. So then come back now, publish.
Dili X ng kan. Anak ko kan data ka na. Ipangkat ra niyo. Ay klaro sa tingog.
Wala kan, di ka lang nakumay.
Dire ba dire?
So now you first version. Remind me later. So as you can see here, we are inside of the Anaconda Navigator. So you can view here a lot of programming language. Yes. So we have here along Visual Code, Visual Studio Code, Anaconda. So let's find the Jupyter to launch to proceed or demonstrate. Way to launch the Jupyter. So in this part, Ayan Litano will demonstrate how Python data will work in Jupyter. Wait na pag. So here, Ayan Litano will show you how you're going to demonstrate. So Ayan Litano will proceed. Hindi ko na Ayan Litano.
Visible ako screen, boss. Visible ako screen, boss.
Oh, yes.
So now, punta tayo, nandito na pala ako sa, dito, sa piliin natin na Jupiter. So, dito tayo magkukon ng lahat ng distribution of code. So, una tayo sa Python numbers, data type. So, yung silence. Ito yung integer ginamit ko.
Mag-upis ba yan?
Print lang natin yung lang. At yung minus. Yes. So ito yung data type. And then bila naman execute tayo ng code ng variable assignment. So is was there, then tapos x was low, then f was
Mag-upis ako na mo diretso ko istorya niya. After
tapos
mag-upis ko diretso ko istorya niya.
x double quote x x x taas ko nila, and then kung i-print mo yan, palitan natin to kasi magpapayo sila. Kaya itong e double quote e comma e f f then ito yung variable assignment. Ito yung output niya sa baba. So tinawag niya yung x sa taas. So ito ikaw na bahala kung anong lalagay mo ito kasi ito lang yung string na ibig sabihin ay yung x ay ito, the 10. So x at saka 10 ay mapiprint sa baba. So ito yung output. And then tapos na tayo sa strings naman tayo. So string.
Excuse Ayan.
Yes.
Sige yun. I have a question.
Ano yun? Sige.
Ano tayo? Nandito tayo? Saan nga Python? Saan nga Python? Saan nga Python ang imong gigamit, anak? Ay, anong Python ang ginamit mo?
Saan?
Yung nauna.
Saan dito?
Yung may list na una, dyan sa pinaka ibabaw.
Sa my list, ang ginamit ko ditong data type is integer. So, kaya numbers yung nakalagay sa may list dito sa taas, dito sa laman ng square bracket. Yan.
Okay, ayan. Thank you.
Ayan,
Yo,
sige.
gini si ayan mga day. Ay,
And then, ngayon, mag-execute naman tayo ng yung sa string. So, lagyan natin string. String 1 underscore hello.
kayo ka na kayo.
Lang lagyan natin ng comma. Double quote. Huwag nyo
Ay, okay lang.
makalimutan.
Gusto nyo sa string.
Kulang lang. Yan. Tapos, string 2 underscore. Huwag kalimutan kasi string 2. Verb. Yan. Tapos, double quote sa last kasi kailangan yun. Yan nagsisilbing simbolo ng string ang double quote. So, sa baba, lagyan natin ng full square string. And then, equals, i-concatenate lang natin. String, string 1, string 2. Yan. So, sabihin ay magkatugma yung dalawa. Then, print lang natin yung full string. Yan. Sa baba, print yung length. Ito yung ito yung silbing anong taas ng yung pacing ng hello at world. Yun, then string magyan natin ito yung string ito kasi ito yung word sa last na part. Check natin. May error lang yung love string. Wait lang. Yes, maybe string 2 string wait lang, may mali. Basta lagyan pa lang natin ng double quote ito. Iba na naman. String 1 low. String yes. String. Wait lang, mali. Kuwan pa na to. Di ba ito underscore? Limutan ko. Yan. Ito. Wala yung grupo. Printing. So, yan. Ito na yung output niya. Sorry, nagkadili-dili kasi meron mga maling symbol. So, ito yung hello world. Ito yung string na tinawag natin sa taas na hello tsaka world. So, ibig sabihin ng full string ay string 1, string 2 ay pasasamahin mo lang sa isang line of code. Yun. Tapos itong length ay
Di ba ang
si
sumpay kay
string 2,
matugtong?
yung word na sa last. And then, pagkatapos formatting with strings.
Bala ka na yan.
So, example, ito.
Pero
Okay,
kapatid mo.
ayan. Age. Yan. Tapos, ito yung lagi sa baba.
Pero saan ako ni
Name,
sa oras ako ni post?
print name,
Saan ako ni post? Pili ko mayayan mo. Ito ko
age,
ano kayo lo? Ano ko kupi-kupi ba siya mawala niya? Kadlok ko. Balik ikaw. Kung gani kadlok ko ni kada ito pa lang daya.
age, saka format. So, yun. So, andito tayo sa format. Tapos ng format ng yun. Format natin yung name, comma, age. Yan. Sa baba, mag-print tayo ng yan. Name. Name. Natin. Yan. Name. Tapos, age. Tapos, colon. Age. Open and close per braces. Yan. Tapos, yun. Ito yung print formatting formatting with strings. So, yun. Ito yung nag-indicate na anong pangalan. So, name. Yun. Print yun. Ito yung first name. Ito yung age. Yan. Ito yung galing sa taas. Saka ito yung yun. Dalawa yung output niya. Yung age is yun, tinawag mo sa taas. Tapos execute na yun sa dictionaries. So, sa dictionaries naman, yun. Simula tayo. ID. Equal. Name. Yun. Ayan. Ay, no. Lagay tayo ng, kasi string gamitin natin. Yan. Sa age. Input, comma. Yan. Tapos, lagay tayo dito. Colon. 30. Tapos, city. Colon. Bugo. Sige. Close. Braces. And then, sa baba, print natin. Print name. Tama. May score. Yung sa taas. Ay, ano, lagyan pala natin ng simple, ano, double quote sa baba, and then, yan. Sa baba yung print natin, print, double quote, page, yan, may colon, tapos, colon, tapos, double quote, comma, and then, yung, sa taas, sabi natin, underscore, tapos, square bracket, ng double quote, page, yan, yan, yan. Dahil sabi natin, kita natin. Yan. Ayun na. So, isa pa. City. CDO pa lang. CDO pa lang. Yan. Ulitan na natin. Sa city pa. So, city. Ito yung nag-indicate ng output. Bukot. May dictionary yun. Okay, tapos square bracket, double quote, saka yung city, square bracket, yan, city lang. May error, wait lang. Sa CDO name balik na CDO pala to dito. CDO shit. Meron pa rin. Yan. Balik pala to. CP yan. Meron pa rin. CP. Lang. My was name. Maganda lang ako yan. Tsaka beach. Sinariki Vision. Shit, hero.
Sa kama ka, boss. Kailan din bitaw ni kanang pinakaw na may equal ni.
Ano?
Na ni kama din sa pinakaw na equal. Okay lang sa para.
Pwede ba na niyo yung sa ubos yan?
Kamera din. Kamera din. Shit. Oh, here.
I-utro ko sa ubos.
Wala akong talay.
Yeah, ikat na.
Most callers line gila kasi nung ano ko no CDO
Uturuan na sa ubos.
kapan CDO tama ito nasolve natin Ito yung taas, so yung dineclare natin na name, tsaka yung age, tsaka yung betrothal, yun. So yung name sa taas is ayan yun, 22 age, yun, 30. Ito yung simbolo sa yung dikit ng pangalan, yung age, yan, yan malaki yung A. Tapos sa kabila naman tayo, sa couples, lang, may couple, or tama, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tsaka print natin pin, length of couple, comma, y. So, baba. Pinangakot pa. Ito na. Print. First. 7. And then, go my so ilan kama may negative 1 tsaka so ito yung output ng couple, yan sa baba. And then dito tayo sa if, elif, and else. So execute natin. So expose them, then if x colon print 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 x is deeper than 5. elif x equal 5 colon ang baba natin size s colon ang baba print natin x is less than 5. Yan. Now, error sa 95. Error. Sa else. Else. X. If X print x is equal to 5. Yan. X is greater than 5. So, yan. Dito yung 5. So, x is greater than 5. Ito yung if saka yung sa Java kay if else. So yun, yun na po yung aming execution ng Python executor. So yun yung mga process for execution ng code. At yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Say that this is the end of our discussion of demonstrate on how from installation to demonstration of Python program. So that's all, and thank you. Goodbye, everyone. And enjoy.
Goodbye. Thank you.